So my name is Himanshu Jain. I'm a professor at Lehigh University, where I hold a Diamond Chair, and also I'm the director of Institute for Functional Materials and Devices at the same institution. I joined this program, PIRE, a couple of years ago when we came together to start planning on investigating this very exciting area of material science. My background is on glasses, so although these materials are called ceramics, they are also often having a glassy phase, so to understand them fully, it is also important to know what this glass is, or what is the role of glass in the preparation and performance of these materials. And so to me this was a new area, and I found it very exciting. And even more exciting is the fact that we will be working as a team with a good number of maybe a dozen groups from different countries to address various complementary aspects of this program. Another important aspect which I really enjoy is the opportunity to work with a good number of students, including undergraduate students. So in the past, I have had undergraduate students from Lehigh who have gone to do summer research last year in France, and this year my student is back also from France, Montpellier, and I just had a conversation with him a few minutes ago, and it seemed like this is one of the best things that has happened to him in his education. He is an undergraduate in physics, and I see this for him to be exposed to applied areas is something that probably would not happen usually to physics undergrads, and so I find he's quite excited. So it is fantastic to see these young people getting involved into real life research problems, and hopefully carry on with a career in material science.